Hello football coaches and football players, my name is Football Coach Allen and today I'm going to give you some of my favorite 7-on-7 flag football misdirection football plays. So hello everyone, my name is Alan from Football Coach Allen and today I'm going to talk to you about some plays. But first, on this channel I show you basketball. I show you football plays, drills, and skills. So if you like that stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. I said basketball because, well, I make videos for basketball as well on my Basketball Coach Allen channel. So if you're a basketball coach or player, go check that out as well. But anyways, today I'm going to talk to you about some misdirection 7-on-7 plays. Now, let's get down to the clipboard and let's check out these plays. Okay, so in this first play, we're going to be running a running play. So the quarterback's going to get that ball. He's going to run it back to player 3, who's going to get that ball. Player 1 is then going to continue up the field this way. These guys are blocking if it's a blocking league. If not, they're running straight up the field. And then what's going to happen is player 4, he is going to go up the field about 10 to 15 yards. And then he's going to go out on a 45-degree angle towards his left side or towards the center of the field. Next, player 3 is going to run this way. And what's going to happen is player 2 is going to run back this way. And this is going to be another handoff. And player 2 is going to be then running up the right sideline. Now, in this next play I'm going to show you, it's another misdirection, obviously. But we're going to go and have player 1 run back to player 2. Player 3 is then going to be running in this direction and blocking if it's a blocking league, same as player 1. If not, they're going to be running up that left side. And then what's going to happen is player 4 is going to be looping back around this way. And what's going to happen is this will be a handoff to player 4, who is then going to run it up the left sideline. First, however, player 2 will take a few steps towards that right side of the field where player 4 will get that ball. Now, in our third play, this one is going to be a little bit more difficult, so let's just get down to it. First, what's going to happen is player 6 is going to be going up 5 yards, doing an out route, a right cut, 90-degree angle towards the right sideline. We're going to have player 5 go straight up the field. We're going to then have player 3 go up about 5 to 10 yards and do a 45-degree angle out to the right side. And then we're going to have player 2 doing the exact same thing. And what we're going to do here is have player 4 loop back around. He's going to get the handoff from player 1. Player 1 is going to then go up the right sideline. Player 4 is then going to pop out towards the center of the field. And now, because he is running this way and the defenders are running this way, one of two things can happen. He can look downfield for the pass. He can look for one of the players. They're mostly going to be on the right side of the field. Or if everyone is exited from this left side, he could just run it up that left side. So there's a few different options there for him to score for your team. Now, of course, this guy better be a good passer, because if he does have the option to pass, he better be able to pass. Now, I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys again tomorrow for another, not tomorrow for another daily basketball video, Monday for another football video.